What if one of the most powerful predators on Earth ended up as something you could wear? Not in the wild, but inside a controlled industrial environment where nature is reshaped into luxury. This is a process few people have ever seen, and fewer truly understand. Welcome back to Process Insight. Today, we're going inside a place hidden from the public eye, inside the Komodo leather factory, where raw reptilian power is transformed into ultra-luxury fashion. Far from cities, on isolated islands shaped by extreme conditions, lives one of the most fascinating creatures on Earth, the Komodo dragon. Built for survival, covered in natural armor, and adapted to dominate its environment. But the journey you're about to see doesn't stay in the wild. Professional teams track these animals using calculated methods and controlled techniques. This is not random capture. This is a monitored, regulated process. Tranquilizers are used to safely immobilize the animal, ensuring minimal stress and maximum control. Before anything moves forward, field experts conduct detailed health inspections. Only selected specimens are approved for transport, because in this industry, everything begins with precision. Once inside the facility, everything changes. Nature is replaced by control. Each specimen enters a biosecure intake system where data replaces instinct. Digital weighing systems record exact measurements. High-resolution scans analyze the skin surface down to the smallest detail. Even the environment is engineered. Humidity, temperature, airflow, everything is carefully controlled to maintain stability. Because before transformation begins, the material must be understood. This is where the transformation truly begins. The thick scale-covered skin requires specialized handling, unlike any standard material. Advanced cutting systems are used to ensure precision and efficiency. Every movement is controlled, every cut is calculated. Then comes tanning, the most critical stage. Inside massive rotating drums, chemical solutions begin to interact with the material. Slowly, deeply, they change its structure. They preserve it, strengthen it, and prepare it for long-term use. What was once organic is now becoming engineered, durable, flexible, and ready for refinement. Now the focus shifts to perfection. The leather is stretched using mechanical systems, ensuring even tension across the surface. This improves both strength and flexibility. Next, controlled drying removes excess moisture without damaging the material. Balance is everything here. Too much heat can ruin the structure. Too little can weaken it. Then comes surface refinement. Buffing tools smooth the material, while preserving the natural scale pattern that makes it unique. Finally, deep dyeing processes are applied, enhancing color, depth, and visual impact. At this stage, the material no longer feels raw. It feels premium.
Now begins the transformation into fashion. Design meets precision engineering. Water-jet cutting systems shape the leather into exact garment patterns. Edges are refined, thickness is adjusted, every piece is prepared for assembly. Heavy-duty sewing machines bring everything together. Each stitch is placed with accuracy, each seam is built to last. Inside, a soft silk lining is added, creating contrast between durability and comfort. What started as raw material is now becoming wearable luxury. Before it reaches the market, it must pass strict testing. Tensile strength tests measure durability. Inspectors examine every detail, texture, stitching, finishing. Only the highest quality pieces are approved. Then comes packaging. Premium boxing ensures protection while also enhancing presentation. Because luxury is not just about the product, it's about the experience. From here, these jackets are shipped worldwide to high-end stores and exclusive buyers. From one of nature's most powerful creatures to a symbol of luxury and status. This transformation is complex, precise, and impossible to ignore. Inside the Komodo leather factory, where nature meets industry and becomes something entirely new.